Hey everybody, in today's quick tip we're going to take a look at contour ramping and how you can use this profile pattern in order to ramp your tool down following the profiles of your part. Let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, in this example we already have our job tree set up with a profile feature that's roughing to get its way down to the bottom. Instead of it taking separate passes, what we want to do is ramp the tool continuously down to the bottom, like helical milling. Okay, so let's take a look how it's done. Let's edit our feature. We're going to go to patterns and we'll turn on contour ramping. We'll go to our parameters and we'll update our depth per pass. In this case I'm going to make it 50, and then we'll recompute. As you can see, the tool will now ramp its way following a profile all the way down to the bottom. You can use this on circles and also irregular shapes, and I recommend you give it a try in your next project.